Let's just take a minute and bask in the ambience. Oh my gosh, I am just on cloud 9. Ooh. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what's going on down here. Yes, good morning. It's breakfast time. I called you. Looks like potatoes and eggs. And it looks like my mother is doing this as well. What'd you say? So much for all that. She said she was just doing the eggs because mine's be dry. Ooh. That's why I'm doing sunny side up. Excuse her. So I had to tell her, watch out, let me show you. I'm going to make your breakfast this morning. It's a fresh monster. It's a fresh monster. Fresh monster. Huh? So now he done fired me up. It's time to go ahead and get that breakfast started. Y'all see I got potatoes and onions. I'm going to do some over easy egg with some fried eggs and bacon. But let's talk about this 2-year-old's attitude. Everybody in the house is so chipper dipper but him. I don't know why he woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning. But his dad is home, so I'm going to let his dad handle that attitude. I'm going to go and get back to this breakfast. These potatoes got this house smelling so good. So now that the potatoes and the bacon is done, it's going to go on time to make the eggs. And we're going to do fried eggs like I said earlier. So just see how I do these fried. Just watch how pretty they be. Not burnt, not yolky, but perfect. Cooked in the middle, pretty on the outside.
Mommy need it. No, mommy gotta cook the food. He crossed applesauce this morning. I thought he woke up on the right side of the bed. I thought he woke up on the right side of the bed. Who am I to complain? Please say it, please.
And boom, breakfast is done. I'm about to go feed my boys and cuddle back up because y'all know my man is going to be leaving any day now. Oh, this life is not for the weak, but I am so appreciative for these days that we've had because I don't really feel like he's been home this long in a while. So I'm going to go jump right back in his skin and I'll catch you guys later.